comment in the comment section who want a man.
Also give some money to the person that take me.
Nope. Nope. I have nothing to give with him. I just need him to go out of my life. Who want him?
Zero.
Who want him? Free. Me, I give away a man.
Okay.
Papa, arrête! Papa cheat! I'm gonna start it and you have me halfway down already. Stop! Ah! Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's a brand new sunny day here, which is very strange because it's supposed to be pouring rain right now. Come here. Stop crying and come here. You know why she's crying? Stop crying. Close your mouth. Close. Stop crying. You guys know she have to put on her hat. She put on her hat and she outside riding her bike and she keeps shouting, Mama, I want to go in the jungle. Mama, I want to go in the jungle. You know what that means? She wants to go hiking. Because on a Saturday, that's what we do. And today should be raining like crazy, but right now it's pelting hot outside. It's sunny and I'm so mad, but I'm sure by the end of the day I'll find somewhere to go because I don't insist on staying home on this Saturday, okay? But for now I am in the kitchen preparing lunch for the kids. Oh, what did Mama prepare for you? First, say good morning to the face. Stop crying. Say good morning, face. She's crying because I tell her to stop shouting outside and come inside of her bicycle. Stop crying, please. Finish. Tell me what's in the plate. Hey. Look what's in your plate. What's in your plate? What's this? Cheese. Pasta. And strawberry. And sausage. Look, that's all Mama made for your lunch. You ready to eat?
No.
You ready to have lunch?
No.
You're not ready to eat? Why not?
I like to sit.
You like to sit? You want to sit?
Sit.
Okay. Go and sit. Mama is coming. I wasn't expecting that answer. I thought she was going to tell me yes. Oh, my kids are a field trip. Anyway, you guys, I don't know what you guys will be seeing throughout the rest of today's vlog, but stay tuned because whatever it is that will be happening around here, I'll be showing you it all. I'm going to go make the kids have lunch right now and carry on with my day. So have a good day. Enjoy the rest of today's vlog. Make sure you subscribe right now if it's your first time to the channel, and give this video a thumbs up whether you're new or you're old. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys throughout the rest of today's vlog. Look at Madam Princess. She's just relaxing, living her best life. Look at this view in front of us, you guys. Yes. Huh? We can't lose ourselves, so we are discovering. Oui? You guys, we're on the road, we're in these streets trying to discover this road. I've been wanting to discover where this road take us for a while, and today we're doing that. So we're kind of in our neighborhood, deep in our neighborhood, trying to discover these streets. I'm representing for St. Martin today. My good friend Natasha gave me this shirt, and Tyler have one, Sarah have one, and Papa have one. But I decided to wear mine today because I'm feeling pink. And the weather is so good, feels so good, nice day out, which kind of throws us off. Like I told you guys earlier, we were supposed to do an adventure today, but the weather had said that it's supposed to rain all day. But where is it?
This is
fully sun. Yes, you told me the last time we came. So we are in the streets. Say morning, babe.
Morning, afternoon.
afternoon. Sarah living her best life. I need to give her a snack because it's snack time. Anyway, you guys, let's discover where we're gonna end up today. If we, like Tella say, if we lose ourselves, then we're gonna see what happens if we lose us. This looks fake, no? This, but it's not.
Yeah.
This looks so fake. This edge looks so fake, but it's so not fake. Careful, Ty. The way it neat, it looks plastic. But it's not plastic at all. It's definitely not plastic.
Look like plastic.
You can bend the leaf and nothing is happening to it. Come, let's go. The last time we came right around here and turned back, but this time we're going the entire way. You guys are in a part of Nice that you don't really see us much. This is babe say we in the ghetto, but it's kind of true because back there is the ghetto side of Nice. Well, what we call ghetto Nice. Yeah, back that side. If you guys remember when Tyler used to go to the swimming pool, it's back that way. You guys know in Jamaica when you see a police station, you know that it's a police station because all police stations in Jamaica are blue and white. In France, when there's a police station, you cannot tell that it's a police station different from a just random business building. I'm gonna show you guys something, and I want you guys to tell me which of these buildings that I'm gonna show you think is a police station. Now, I'm gonna show you 3 buildings. This one, and this one. Which of these 3 would you think is a police station? Hold on, but I'm not right either. It's not this one, it's this one, the last one. So it wasn't this, and it wasn't this, and it wasn't this. It's this one smack in the middle. Yes, you're right. So it's the one. Yes, so it's the one with these yellow windows right here. So that's a Tella says the bar for the prison. No, it's not the bar for the prison. In France, I'm looking for a police station, and I think that you're going to see anything that identifies a police station building different from any other building. Wrong. False. Come. So why you slow down?
N'aime pas peur. Who is afraid? Who is afraid? A coward. A coward.
Stop, Mama, because you're more scared than Sarah. You're more scared than Sarah.
Rock climbing.
Prêt? 3, 2,
No, you put him foot too high.
Mets ton pied là alors. Voilà.
Oui.
Tout essaie de le mettre sur le rose, sur l'orange. Ok?
Oui.
Allez, maintenant
This
tu vas
one,
chercher là
this
avec
one, this one.
Voilà. Et la main là.
Oui, go Peppa. Wow.
c'est normal, elle fait la taille.
Tyler, arrête de dire toujours c'est normal pour les autres. C'est pas normal.
Sarah.
Living your best life.
Mais non, pas dans ce moteur.
Tu mets la main, voilà.
You just have to find the right one.
No.
Right. Yes, him can do that.
Ok, alors là il faut pousser fort sur celui-là.
Think about which hand you're gonna let go next and which one you wanna reach.
Tu mets ça, tu vas mettre voilà. Ton pied. Maintenant avec ta main. Tu vas essayer de mettre ta main.
Sarah, leave Peppa. When you go up, I'll give it to you. Leave Peppa.
Allez.
Put Peppa down. Right there, right there.
Tu pousses sur la. Essaye de mettre.
Give me Peppa. Yes, we're back home.
We back home.
You guys know when I go on the road, not a cooking not going on when I come back. That's a rule of thumb for Mel. Somebody come take this man now. One of you don't want him.
Yeah, for free.
Comment in the comment section who want a man.
Also give some money to the person that take me.
Nope. I have nothing to give with him. I just need him to go out of my life. Who want him?
Zero.
Who want him? Free. Me, I give away a man.
Okay.
You need too much trouble.
I go for free.
They not gonna sir.
Yeah, I already serve. I serve enough.
You serve enough
I
purpose.
serve enough, so now
Sarah and
I
Tyler
can
go your
go
purpose.
serve somebody else.
Absolutely. Go service anybody else. Not just serve. Service. Yes, Sarah. Me boxing with the panini. Who? I second time in a few days. You guys hear that I'm gonna give him a box. Second time and I didn't give too much trouble. You guys don't listen to us, you know. That's how we play. Don't take it too serious. If you take it too serious, then you need a whole new understanding of relationships. Don't ever take me when I serious. We don't mean nothing that we say to each other. It's just our inside fun. That's how we show our love for each other.
That's what she think.
Bye.
That's what she think.
And you see, now you make them go and believe you that is not true. You see what I'm saying? Again, do not believe anything that comes out of my husband's mouth. I was asking around what for dinner and I only get one good answer. Tyler says panini.
What I said. What I said.
I didn't get no answer.
I said fries. And
Oh, he said fries. Oh, so if you want fries, why the heat that your fry not on? I'm not sure.
This year I get 35.
This year you become 35? That's why you're giving so much trouble? What we gonna do for your birthday, honey? I asked him what area? I asked him what he's gonna do for his birthday. Say he don't know, it's not his problem. Tell us to carry him to Minnesota. Oh, look at that. Oh, Jesus. Look at that. Look at Sarah's face. Look at Sarah's face. Catch her. She's like, what are you two doing? Almost fell. What am I feeding the broccoli for? He's not even making any effort to move my hand. So much chaos going on. Go over beside my child. Go on. Papa have strength for me for her arm wrestle. Papa cheat. I'm gonna start it and you have me halfway down already. Stop. Ah. Put it on the kitchen counter. Yes, you guys witnessed that, right? He couldn't even carry Zara doing bedtime with the boys.
Ça c'est quoi? Oui, et ça? Et ça? Bravo.
Ça c'est quoi? 43. 43, dis. 43. Wow. 43.
Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot.
You guys know you have to come with something, right? If he doesn't, then that's not Ludovic. Talk to the peeps. Talk to the faves.
Hey guys, it has been was supposed to be a rest day. It ended up
It was
being
supposed to be a rest day?
a walking day. I say walking day, not walking dead.
We made up for the hiking that we didn't get to do today, or for the city visit that the new city that we did.
Tomorrow is a Mother's Day. You say that tomorrow is not Mother's Day. Just look at the calendar.
Tomorrow is Mother's Day for me. It's not Mother's Day in France, but it's Mother's Day in Jamaica.
So if I type Fête des Mères is Mother's Day. So let's see. We Google know everything. So Fête des Mères, okay. Sunday 29th of May. So,
Fête des Mères, France,
so what are you talking about?
En France.
So
Come
so
make them see a beat you.
She trying to make Mother's Day every Sunday, tricking me.
It's Fête des Mères en France, Mai 29.
Non, 29 mai.
Mai 29.
Non.
29 mai.
Ouais.
En Jamaïque, c'est quand?
Je sais pas, je m'en fous.
Demain.
J'habite où?
En France.
Oui.
Et
quand j'ai fait mon
je
anniversaire?
suis quoi?
Toi, tu es quoi? Tu es ma femme?
Je suis française ou jamaïcaine?
Et alors? Et tu habites où?
Dis-moi.
Tu es jamaïcaine?
Ok, et alors?
Et tu habites où?
En France?
Ah! Every year we're gonna have this conversation. She's just
Every
trying
year.
to steal
Every
and to
year,
make Princess
and
Day.
thieves did the same.
So why you call it Mother's Day? Call it Princess Day.
We'll
Just
call it Princess Day and we'll
Day.
celebrate Princess Day.
I want you to rub my toes.
Yeah,
I
do
want
that
you to
every day.
Pink,
You
to
do that every
paint
day.
my toes. Oh, please, can you do that for me? Because I can't
Well,
move.
tomorrow is
It's
my Mother's Day and don't take away that from me, please. Please don't. Please don't take
what
away
you
that
want?
from me. It's you
You
to
want oranges
decide.
for breakfast?
It's you to decide. Tomorrow is Mother's Day and come the 29th is
I'm
Mother's Day again.
gonna do some. I'm gonna do a smoothie for her tomorrow. I'm gonna put the eggs on the blender. I'm gonna put a pasta on the blender.
Ew, yeah.
Everything that she likes, I'm gonna put it on the blender.
So if it's everything that I like, how pasta comes in?
Well, you want what? You want me to do liver for you and put it in the blender, and then what do you like for breakfast? Bacon. You want a banana fritters. You want egg. I put everything in one in the blender, and get you a nice smoothie. Mmm, yummy.
Ew, you're nasty.
Yummy smoothie.
Black.
Anyway, guys, it's almost midnight. Maybe it's after midnight. I can't see.
It's midnight exactly.
So it was a game on TV, the final of the National Cup, and of course Nice lost.
Nice lost.
So at least I don't see no burning car outside for now. So that's good.
Anyway, you guys, we're gonna end today's vlog here. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and I know you guys will subscribe if you're new to the fam bam, and I appreciate every single one of you who has done that so far. Make sure you click the notification bell, that way you don't miss a video when we upload. And if you didn't do that, don't worry, go to our channel, we'll notify that a video is there, guarantee. Love you guys, catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys
Tomorrow.